Good morning, everyone. It is Mr. Vasquez. I'm here to give you your Wednesday, March 24th math lesson. Yay! All right. Today's math lesson is going to be real short. So this week we've been talking about the teen numbers. So that's numbers between 10 and 20. Remember, that's numbers that have two digits. The first digit is always going to be a 1. All right. First thing we're going to do a little warm-up. We're going to practice the numbers between 0 and 10, and you might see some dots or you might see some numbers, and you're going to tell me what you see. You're either going to read the number or you're going to count the dots. All right, these numbers are going to be out of order, okay? So you're going to have to think real careful. All right, here's the first card. 6. Here's the next one. 4. How about this one? 2. This number. 9. This number. 3. This number. 0. How about this number? This one's a little tricky. Let's count it. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 7. This number. 5. This number. 1 and this number. Awesome. That's number 8. Let's go ahead and give ourselves a quick round of applause. All right. Okay, I'm about to fix the computer. I can't tell if I'm too close or too far. Okay. Hold on. Give me 1 second and let me try and fix this. I think I made this worse. I think I'm way too close. Okay, hold on. I gotta fix it. Okay, now I'm way too far. And I look real short. What happened to me? Why can you not see me? Okay, I gotta fix this. I'm sorry. Give me 1 second. Nope. Too close again. Okay, hold on. Whew, okay. I think I fixed the problem. I think this is just right. I think you can see me now. Not too close, not too far, not too short. I think you can see me. All right. Thanks for being patient and letting me solve that problem. So we did our practice with numbers between 0 and 10. Now we're going to practice reading the teen numbers between 10 and 19. For these numbers, we're just going to read the numbers and we're going to go in order. So remember, we're going to start at 10. So first, we've got 10. Next is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. Okay, now here's what we're going to do. We're going to try going backwards. If we started at, actually we're going to start at 20, because after 19 comes 20. So we're going to start at 20, count backwards, going to 10. Let's see if you can do it. So first we have 20, then we're going to start going backwards, so then we'd have 19. Going backwards, we got 18. Going backwards, we get 17. Going backwards, you get 16. Going backwards, we get 15. Going backwards, we get 14. Going backwards again, we get 13. We're almost done. Going backwards, we go to 12. Going backwards again, we got 11. Last one, going backwards, we got 10. Awesome. Let's give ourselves a round of applause. Great job. Okay, so yesterday we practiced making 10 and 11. Today we're practicing making 10, 11, and 12. So I've got a 10s frame right here. We know what it looks like. It looks just like this. It's a 10 frame and it's all the way full. That means how many dots are there? There's 10. There's 10 dots all there. So if I got 10, and then what if I add 0 more dots? If I have 10 and add 0 more dots, how many do I have all together in both my hands? It's still 10. All right? What about if I add 1 more dot? If I have 10 here and one more here, we practiced this yesterday. 10 here, one more here. How many do I have? This is altogether 11. In both my hands right now, I've got 11 dots. Okay, now we're going to go one more. So today we're talking about if we add 2 dots onto the extra 10 frame. I got 10 here, 2 here. How many do I have all together in my hands? So this is 12. Okay, so today's practice is going to be working with that. You got a math paper, looks like this. And I have it with different colors. So let's look at the first problem together. It says 10, and I did green. So the 10 is green, and then 1 I put here in blue. So it says 10 and 1, and it's asking you what it makes. So first thing we have to do, we have to fill in whatever this number here is. So it's 10 and 1 extra dot. I have to draw in the 1 extra dot. Okay. So now I made my 1 extra dot. So I have 10 and 1. What number does that make in all the green and blue rectangles? What number is that? How many dots are there? So there's 11 dots. So I'd write down here 11. Let's look at the next one. It says 10, and I put the 10 in green. There's 10 dots in the green rectangle, and 2. That's in the blue rectangle. So we have to fill in those 2 dots, okay? Let's go ahead and make it. Okay, so 10, I filled in my 2 dots. So now we have to figure out every dot, all the dots in the green and the blue rectangles. I've got 10 and 2 more. That's going to make 12, just like we practiced down here. We practiced earlier with this 10 frame and this 10 frame. 10 and 2 more makes 12. It's going to be the same thing right here. So I'm going to write my number in. And now I've got 12. Okay, so you're going to do all the rest of the page by yourself. You have to fill in whatever the missing number of dots is in that empty 10 frame. And then you have to write the number in that circle, what it makes all together in that circle. Then on the back side, you might think this is pretty easy. We're just practicing how to write 10. We know how to do that. How to write 11. We know how to do that. How to write 12. For some of you, this might be new. Okay? You're going to practice writing 10, 11, and 12. All right. So that's your work for math. I'm going to say what I said in the reading lesson again here. So remember, this is your work for today. If you bring back all this work and it's done, you will get a prize. Also, remember, you can earn an extra prize if you show me you practicing your sight words. Everyone got their sight words. There were 5 laminated pages. And if you don't have scissors at home, you can just read them like a list. You can just hold the paper like this and read it one by one. That's fine. If you have scissors and you cut them out into little tiny cards, that's fine too. Whatever works for you. So I'm going to say it again. Remember, you finish all your work, bring it back tomorrow, you get 1 prize. If you send a picture, so you can send the picture to me on Seesaw, on Canvas, or you can ask the grown-up at your house to text a picture of you practicing your sight words to me, and you will get an extra prize when you come back to school tomorrow. All right, if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you so much. I'm so proud for you watching through all this lesson. I can't wait to see you back at school tomorrow. I'll see you then. Have a great day. Bye-bye.